Okay. Tigger thinks he's a cat and likes to follow flashlights, and so we're going to try and make him dizzy. Get it, Tigger! Get it, Tigger! Hopefully he doesn't puke. Woo! A little bit drunk there, buddy? Get the light, Tigger, get it! Get it, Tigger! He does look drunk. Do it again. Oh, Nero says, stop! Do it again. All right, Nero. Nero, stop! It's just a light. Okay, stop.
Yeah, come here.
Goodness. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Oh, there we go, Tigger. Get him going again. Nero's like, stop, you're acting a fool, man. What is wrong with you? Nero, stop. Come on, Tigger, get it. Stop.
Wait, hold on, let me get in your eyes, Tigger.
Come on.
Go, boy.
Here comes Nero. He's like, man, you're acting so foolish. It's a light. You can't bite it. Come on. Oh, where'd the light go, buddy? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Come on, get it. Oh. Get him real dizzy. He is the stupidest dog. Come on, man. Nero's outside now, but he's barking because he's mad. Get it, Tigger. Oh, Tigger! One more time around. Oh, he did good on that one. Tigger! 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 Where is it, buddy? Tigger, where's the light? Where's the light, buddy? Are you looking for it? Oh, there it is.